again, and this topic of the speech is role of AI in business management. So, in order to assist and make common people's life more easier and simpler, AI has already implemented into consumer environment. The placement or arrangement of AI can be useful to handle, to manage, or to support routine business operations. Now, deep analysis of data with AI algorithms is assisting most of the organizations to manage their data, and several industries are already using AI into their day-to-day operations. AI technologies enables machines to perform complex tasks, which was traditionally the domain of human intelligence. This task includes learning, observing, planning, and decision making, all crucial to solve the wide array of problems. Okay, so it is not only about the transformation, is not only about making it more simpler and easier, but it's also about enhancing accuracy, improve customer experience, and also create new opportunities of revenue generation. You know what is the secret superpower of AI? It's like जो हम नहीं सोचते वो AI सोच लेता है, और जहाँ हमारी सोच खत्म हो जाती है वहाँ AI काम करना शुरू कर देता है. Okay, now what are the benefits of AI in business? Number one is increased productivity and efficiency. Now, involving AI into an enterprise has several benefits, which includes productivity gain and efficiency gain. So how AI helps in it? So AI handles the task is at speed and scale is unmatched by human beings. Second is enhanced monitoring. So AI can collect and process real-time data and organize, so that organization can on the spot monitor capabilities, which will assist them to issue support actions, and in some cases is also initiate responses. Number third is improving customer services. So as a business, it is increasingly important to provide positive customer experience. So it is our intention to summarize all the knowledge about our customers, the customer needs, our solutions, our competitors. So after that we can provide them what they need. So having an individual for that would be great, but we do not have salesperson for that. So artificial intelligence can do so. Also, it is more resulting into personalized and customized interactions between an organization and its customers. Now let's dig into how AI helps in various departments of business processes. Number one is HR department. So administration, coordination, control tasks occurs most of the time of HR managers in an organization. So AI offers various benefits in management process, from employment onboarding to performance analysis. Second is marketing and sales department. Marketing and salesperson can provide highly personalized customer experience by incorporating AI into their business management process. So, in conclusion, I just want to say that the way of our life is transformed by AI in variety of ways. It affects where we travel, what we buy, what we read, or what we listen to, and it is also it has growing impact on work. AI is transforming the way we work, whether we are working in marketing, strategic decision making, or knowledge management. So AI, a new beginning and not an end.